The South Goa Additional Sessions Court has granted bail on the ground of procedural lapses to the accused Rojin Philip Mathews, who was arrested by Canacona Police for allegedly being in illegal possession of contraband known as magic mushrooms. Canacona Police had recently conducted a raid on the premises of the accused Rojin Philip Mathews, who owns a firm registered with the government of Kerala and is engaged in the manufacture of various types of mushrooms. During the raid, the police allegedly seized 16.6 grams of dried magic mushrooms stated to be contraband. While granting bail to Rojin Philip Mathews, the court pointed out serious procedural lapses on the part of Canacona Police. The court observed that the police did not conduct a field test for reasons best known to them. The raid was conducted after the investigation officer received some specific information. Therefore, there was a scope for the investigating officer to carry the necessary field testing kit before raiding accused premises. The percentage of the contraband in the seized magic mushrooms is yet to be ascertained. Taking note of the prosecution's submission that the forensic analysis report would take considerable time, as the Goa State Forensic Science Laboratory at Verna is presently handling cases pertaining to the year 2024, the court has granted liberty to the police to move an application for cancellation of bail upon receipt of the chemical analysis report. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.